Glory to Pyramid.
Glory, glory, glory. Brother, my color is green.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where were you?
my guy. I had a 20-car convoy. Itamela so. It has never been done.
Never
My
been
brother,
done.
ka go bolela. Understand?
Why N4 on 21,123 active policies.
I think it's time for a song.
You know.
We have a couple of 21,000 reasons as of now. Bagolo baka, baretsi baka. Jumbo, please. On 21,123 active policies, my brother.
Man, no. It's not just an awareness. It's a statement.
Promise, Kate. Promise. But it's a promise. From Zeerust to Rustenburg, from Guyana to Soweto.
No wonder we're so grateful, man. What you need to do.
But it's simple. It's simple.
Call us on our call center line.
Yo, call center.
SMS Pyramid 241237.
You can call our call center line on 014-285-0046.
There's no other moshara or consortium like us.
Consortium.
Ba leboga go pyramid ba tsamaise tura bone bontle ba leboga le lekase la bone nya ra leboga ka pyramid sa se rona fela tla nna ntse re tswella mo bathong bo botlhe.
Pyramid ra leboga le mpoloketse mmana ka seriti se se tona.
Casket, my brother, we give quality. I this is happy. I wanna know.
Whew. And just like that, we've come to the end of today's journey together.
Kalebala, SMS Pyramid to 41237.
Glory to Pyramid.
Glory, glory, glory.
Man.
My brother, my color is green.
Yeah.
My color.
If it's not green. No. It's the wrong color. It's not green.
It's the wrong color. It's the wrong color,
wrong
guys.
color.
Yes. It's the wrong color.
My brother. Hey, but it's they missed you last week.
My brother.
Tell me what's going on. Tell me where were you?
Yeah,
Where were
my guy. So, if you guys tuned in the last episode, not the one that I missed, right?
Oh no.
Yeah, not the one that I missed. The last episode. If we spoke about the biggest marketing events yet in history.
Never been done
history,
before.
it has never been done.
Yes.
It has never been done.
Never
My
been
brother,
done.
ka go bolela.
Never.
We spoke about it and we did it and it was a success. My brother, Zeerust invasion.
Yeah.
It was a day of full impact, energy and connection.
Yeah.
My brother, monate.
Yeah.
Like while we bought everything. So while we brought you the overview, guys, we gave you the overview from the studio, and I was the guy that side. I was the guy that side. So I'm gonna tell the coordinator. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit what went on.
Yeah.
Number one, I had about 20 cars.
Yeah. Fully owned.
I had about 20 cars on the road, convoy.
Fully owned.
Fully owned by Pyramid Group Funerals. No rental. Yeah?
What?
20 cars. My brother.
What?
At 20. We bought the guy at 20. Kana le motho no motona o lo tshwereng government ga tsabeka 20 car.
No, it can never be.
Yeah, a tsabeka. I had a 20 car convoy. Itamela so. Ishebile Zeerust. Yeah, some stumbling blocks there and there, traffic, this and this and this.
But I'm sure people were just happy, man, to see
my
you.
brother.
Just excited.
People were excited. People were happy. Shout out to Diale Brass Band, guys. Shout out to Diale Brass Band. Like, guys, they brought the energy, they brought the vibe, they brought everything. It was amazing, guys. It was amazing. The vibe was electric. You could feel the excitement in the air. What touched me most was how many people said, "We've been waiting. We've been waiting." Listen to the guy, guys. Listen to the guy. A funeral service that put us first. The trust in Pyramid is real, but we didn't have to convince anyone.
Yeah.
We didn't convince at all. We just showed up. And literally, that's it. We just showed up and they listened,
And
my
people
brother.
were excited,
My
man.
brother, it was electric, it was fire, it was just on another level, another level, my guy. So, Mare, that's what I'm saying, Hori.
Yeah.
My brother, Zeerust. It was we invaded, my brother.
Yeah.
We
It was a
invaded the
Zeerust
area,
invasion.
and it was a Zeerust invasion, and
Yeah.
we will continue with that invasion, my guy.
On the ground.
On the ground, my brother.
Yes, sir.
I was. It's like follow what like
Yeah.
my brother. You know, they're gonna go, you get one, you get one, you get one, you get one, you get one. Literally, that was that, my brother.
Never been done before.
Never been done before. We born a guy. We born a guy. I can tell you, if we could,
Yeah.
hey, you know, I read the political part. But the pyramid is just that we're not a part of such things. But if we were, my brother,
would
my
be the
brother,
number one.
we will have a seat there.
Ah.
But the pyramid group funerals,
Yeah.
political
Political
part movement.
Ah.
My brother, it was insane. It was
Yeah.
awesome. The people welcomed us, and it was
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
And it was electric, my brother.
No, I saw you guys hit the ground running there. Yeah.
It was amazing.
No, it was beautiful, man.
Ah,
It
my
was
brother. So
beautiful.
that's the Zeerust invasion, and we continue with it. We continue with it. So even today, we're not gonna stop the movement.
Yeah.
We're not gonna stop the movement. My boys, my girls are still there as well.
Yeah.
So every Wednesday we have road shows, right? We
Yeah.
have road shows. So even today, the same. They're gonna be they doing road shows that side. So even breads, I got to prepare.
Yeah.
Yeah, re ba
Breads.
prepare, re ba benyana. Guys,
Why
understand.
can't go N4 fa? N4.
You never know, Mare. Literally, that's the next phase. That's the next phase.
Yeah.
So, Zeerust, Brett, that's our main focus.
Yeah.
We're gonna be pushing road shows that side. So, guys, as we're saying, welcome us with beautiful and warm hands. We are here for you. We're here to give you our promise that we will be there no matter what.
Yeah.
We will be there before the funeral. We will be there during the funeral. And we will come back again as aftercare with our counselors to give and tell you, Hore, we are still here for you throughout this trying and unpleasant time.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Because
that's us.
we believe that no family should be left behind. There's literally no family that should be left
It
behind.
shouldn't, my guy. It shouldn't. No. Why should we now stereotype and say no? No. What's the point on doing that?
You know, I'm just intrigued by something, man. I see we're on 21,123 active policies.
I think it's time for a song.
You know,
I think it's time for Scala Pele. We coming there. We have a couple of 21,000 reasons.
You're cooking.
We're cooking.
I see what you did
There's a couple of 21,000 reasons. Yes. Yes, my brother.
Linzwile Litswako Pyramid Group Funerals. All the way from Zeerust.
All the way from Zeerust. Ntate Dlamini. Ntate Dlamini.
The platinum voice.
The platinum voice.
Yes, sir.
Mfana wa style. Mfana wa no.
Talk to me, man.
So, my brother, I have 21,123 reasons to keep on going. To keep on going, my brother. 21,123, my brother.
No, let him cook.
So, remember, we're going to review about this 30,000 active
Yes,
policies by
yes,
December.
yes,
And it's a movement, my brother. It's a movement, and we are intentional about it. We're not playing.
Yes.
We're not playing.
Definitely.
We have set this target, and we knew it wouldn't be easy.
Yeah.
Definitely number one. We knew it would take focus. We knew it would take teamwork, a whole community, and a lot of early mornings. My brother, guy, in the bus rank, hot afternoons, go to rural villages. We are there. We are there. And today, I am proud to say we are moving. We are moving.
What's up now?
As of now,
Yes.
drum roll, please. We We are on 21,123 active policies, my brother.
Man. Usazoba mnandi lo December. Kuzoba mnandi lo
Kuzoshushu.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's hectic. It's fire. This is not just a number, but this is 21,123 families that are no longer unprepared.
They are prepared at this
They
moment.
are prepared now.
21,000.
They are no longer unprepared. They are prepared.
Yes.
That's 21,123 households that now have dignity, protection, peace of mind when it matters most, my brother.
Let's break it down, my brother.
Hey.
Let's break it down. So now this number reflects the hard work of our agents.
Yes.
Siras,
Yes.
Tikiani, Brits, Rustenburg, Soweto, and beyond, man. And beyond. Now, 2, it shows that our marketing activations in places like Lihurutse, Khopano, Dinokana, and Burakalo, Mona, it's not just an awareness. It's a statement. It's a mission and vision to say to the people, we will be there.
We will be there.
We are preparing them.
My brother, we are talking about a promise.
Yeah.
And another saying, there's something about a promise kept, promise, what? But it's a promise.
Yeah.
And we know as Pyramid,
Yeah.
whatever promise that we make, we will keep it, my guy.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely, my brother. Hey. I was checking the numbers. We still have 8,800 and... Hey. They are so excited.
They're so excited.
They're so excited.
Exactly.
8,877 households to cover.
Yeah.
It's not a lot of number. Yeah.
And by December, we will definitely have it. And this
8,877
proves, my guy, this proves that we show up with purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah. And people respond with trust, my guy.
Mona.
Hey. Yeah.
So whether you are already covered or you're thinking of joining us, this is your moment to be part of the movement. This is a movement. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it growing. Because with every new policy, we're not just counting numbers. We're changing lives.
100%.
Because that's what we want to do.
Inzalo.
We want to prepare families. We want to cover families.
My brother, as I always say that, and I always tell my team, I have a big team, I have a huge team. Because now, remember, I look after compliance and marketing and the whole team that side at the head office. My guy, I always tell them, guys, the number one and the only important person is our client.
Our client.
That's it. No one else, nothing. If you are busy there in the call center, then they know, my guys. They know if you are busy in the call center and you're with a client, I will never interrupt that. They know, I'll be like, client first. Client.
Client.
Number one.
Yeah.
Enhancing customer experience. That's all we speak about all day. Guys, what's our mission?
Enhancing customer experience.
Enhancing customer experience. And that's it. That's our number one goal.
Yeah.
The customer. You know, it's so irritating. And I get so irritated when I walk into a company and I feel by being there.
Yeah.
And I'm a paying customer.
Yeah.
I don't want to feel or I'm bothering you by me coming to ask for a service. And that will never happen at Pyramid because our number one priority is the customer, my guy. Yes.
No, most definitely, man. Most definitely. Because without the client or without the customer,
yes,
we wouldn't be where
you
we
won't
are.
have a business. You won't have anything.
Yeah,
so the
definitely.
client literally is number one.
Yeah.
He's the one that rules the show. And that's why we pride ourselves. And that's why we are on this road. And that's why we have 21,000 reasons at the current moment to keep
thankful.
on going. To be thankful. Huh?
Man,
Exactly, my guy.
imagine. 21,000 people
Yes.
covered, prepared.
And we started this movement just a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah, to
And-
get
yeah.
a dignified funeral service.
Nah, my guy.
For us to be there.
So now, baretsi ba ka re botsa, right? So remember now, it's about now, okay, joining this movement.
Yeah.
Right? It's about joining with this movement. So, guys, this is a powerful wave. This is a powerful wave from Zeerust to Rustenburg, from Guyana to Soweto. It's the Pyramid 30,000 active policy movement, and we are inviting you. We are inviting you. We are inviting you to be a part of it. Yes.
So more than 21,000 families have already said yes to security, yes to dignity, yes to affordability, trusted us with giving them a funeral service that is dignified. No wonder we're so grateful, man. 21,000 reasons.
My brother, today we have 21,000 reasons to be grateful.
Yeah. So now, as we're talking to you now, Baretso High, we're calling on you.
Yes.
You listening right now. We're saying to you, take that step.
Yes.
Allow us to be part of your family.
Exactly.
Allow us to be part of your grief process so that you heal with us.
Exactly, my brother.
My
Exactly.
brother.
Whether you're in a rural village or a busy township, your family deserves to be protected. You deserve a funeral partner that shows up, that supports you, and that will walk the journey with you. From the very beginning, right to the final send off, we will be there. It will not change. No maganjan. Joining in it's very, very simple. Become part of this movement.
All you need to do.
But it's simple. It's simple.
Call us on our call center line.
Yo, call center!
Call us on our call center
Hey,
line.
we just opened our call center this week. It went live. It went live, my brother. It went live. Hey. No, remember just a couple of weeks back, we were talking about the call center that we're opening and whatnot. We're going to create jobs, employment. My guy.
It just feels like yesterday.
Okay,
man.
we are having a lot of reasons today. Hey?
There's a lot of
reasons
to be
today.
grateful for,
Now we have 21,000 reasons. We have another reason to be grateful here, call center. So you can call our call center line in 014-285-0046.
014-285-0046.
That's our call center line, and our friendly agents will be in touch, and they will take care of every need that you have. Oh, Sekgowa. Or our 24-hour hotline, which is 076-511-3141.
Yes. Visit our nearest branch or your nearest branch to you that is convenient for you to just go and access and get information, or speak to any of our friendly agents in your area. SMS Pyramid 241237. You know, so that you cross the 30,000 mark with us as a united community that looks out for one another.
My brother, you couldn't have said it. You couldn't have said it. That was just a
My brother.
Guys, that's joy. Join today. Be counted. Be covered. Be pyramid. Be green. Yeah.
Just to let Baretso Kuhai, there's no other moshara or consortium like us that has got a 1-hour radio show. It's a pyramid.
Yes.
Group funeral. What I'm grateful for is that this song, man.
What are you clever?
Yeah.
Hambe
nami. Ungihole.
Yes.
So
Powerful.
we're talking about what pyramid does.
Exactly, my brother.
To say like it's hamba now.
Yeah.
We take you through the journey. We don't just leave you there.
We don't. And my brother, we know very well.
Yeah.
This is a trying moment. This is a tough moment.
Yeah.
A lot of emotions are involved in this moment.
Definitely.
And the last thing that you want to have is a funeral parlor. But obviously with us, we are consortium.
A consortium,
but now let's say, minimum a funeral parlor that will not take you serious. That's the last thing you want. You don't want a funeral parlor that will leave you on the journey. Many more. They just come, they do the burial, bye gone. Done. You don't even remember they were there. So that's not us.
I just remembered something, Mr. Lamin. I had a conversation with one of the guys that loves pyramid. because he hasn't given me permission to say his name on air, I will not say it.
Yeah.
But yeah, when we were having a conversation, he said something very impactful and powerful to me. He said he is not sure, because he was asking me to say, I am not sure if you guys take us through the process of going to Home Affairs and registering a death. And I said, what? We do that for you.
We do it for you, my brother.
that
We
for
do it for you.
you.
Like you literally, you just need to come. To the office, you bring all the paperwork, and then the stressful ones, Home Affairs and all that stuff. We do that for you. Which other Pala consortium does that?
He was so shocked. He was so shocked and said, you know what? I did not realize that you guys do that.
Yeah,
I did not realize, because that's one of the critical moments.
Oh,
That's one of the critical pain for family to say, you need to go there, you need to go to Home Affairs, you need to, it's going to take time. And stuff like that. And I said, no, we do the whole 360 with you.
We do everything for
While
you.
While we take your papers and go and register the death certificate for you at Home Affairs, you are sitting there now with one of our trained staff now to take you through the arrangements.
Exactly. Yeah.
She takes you through the arrangements now. By the time you receive the death certificate now, I tell you, my brother,
that's why
you would have organized. When are you bringing the program? When are you bringing clothes? When are you collecting the body? When is the tent coming by your house? Which coffin? I mean,
everything to the T. And that's why today we're sitting on 21,000 reasons.
Yeah.
21,000 reasons to be. That's the reason why, my brother. That's the reason why. Because we are different.
Yeah.
Well, now we are a brand that is very, very intentional in
Yes.
everything and anything that we touch.
Yes.
If we say we're going to buy a fleet of vehicles, we are going to buy a fleet of vehicles because we are intentional on that goal.
Exactly.
If we say we are going to bury with dignity, we mean dignity. We are going there to play. We're not just coming there, do the job fast out. No. And that's why even you will find when you're hearing from the drivers and whatnot, oh no, family shame, sleep out they take care because they know very well
Yes.
Pyramid is a family and we have extended our arms to them. The way about treating at claim stage, they felt the warmth, they felt the care. That's why they're treating us so well into their home. And now Nako area before the burial, which is normally on the Fridays and whatnot, that's why they care so much, because they felt that warmth. And now they still feel us as well again when we come back later on. That's why, my guy, we have 21,000 reasons
21,000
today,
reasons
my guy.
today.
Yeah?
Today. I want to say live on air, I want to bet next week, Wednesday, we'll be on 22,000.
We're going to 22.
Yeah.
1,000.
Yeah. 22,123 or more next week.
More, I'm telling you. You'll see. And we're giving you the platform, guys. It's very easy. As we said, SMS Pyramid to 41237. All you need to do is to prepare names, surnames, ID numbers or date of birth of the people that you want to cover. We will definitely call you. Our trained staff will call you from the call center and they will activate your policy. It's a very simple process. Or you can call our call center on 014-285-0046 or visit any of our branches. It's very, very simple, Barret. It's very, very simple. My guy.
So one of the things, because we talk a lot.
Yeah, we talk.
And people think we're just talking, it's just hearsay and rumors and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We often say it.
The proof.
We don't just serve clients, we serve families. And nothing says it better than the voice notes that we're going to play of the families that we've walked the journey with. That have seen us in action.
Just last week.
That have seen the Club Boys do what they do best.
Powerful.
You know what I love when I look at a funeral being rendered is the interaction the guys have. Even the community members will raise their hands and say, bashimane ba di-club.
Yes.
That means now we're welcomed in
We
the
are welcome.
communities.
We are within the community. They expect us. Ibile ga go ka tla maybe another many more. They will be surprised. So, we thought pyramid is coming. I don't know. It's like they're already used to pyramid. It's northwest. It's us. So they expect us to be everywhere. And we want to be everywhere, guys. We want to be everywhere. But let's listen to these families, guys. This is testimonials from people we just buried last week.
Hello, I would like to thank Pyramid for the service e ba re fileng yone ka funeral ya my granny. There's nothing se se ka complainang ka sone, but instead I'm grateful to Pyramid and their services. Thank you.
Mama ka rato ra Pyramid e ra reng?
nya ba lelapa la gang jodi ba leboga for pyramid ba tsamaise tura bone bontle ba leboga le lekase la bone nya ra leboga ka pyramid ga se rona fela tla nna ntse re tswella mo bathong bo botlhe
O ka rato ra
nna
Pyramid
ke
e ra reng,
Caroline
mama?
ke itumetse
ke ra ke nna Elisiwana from Lethabong ne ke boloka nkoko wa ka anti wa ka mmangwane Satertaga. Pyramid ra leboga, Pyramid ra leboga le mpoloketse manaka ka seriti se se tona se le mpontsheng sona ke tlhola ke utlwela ka lona Pyramid ke a le leboga tota o itse keng ga ke itse gore nka reng tota o itse ga ke na mafoko a mang ka re fela ditebogo go lona go service lona go simolola tsatsi la ntlha le ke tsena ke lela dikeledi aowa ka bona Pyramid aowa ba ntshwere ka ba re tshwere rona ba ne re utlwile phatlogile dipelo ko Pyramid fela ba re tlisa dikuku di-drink ka re ao gante go a jewa ne ke thoma go bona mo society-eng gore ao gante he o tla bo o lebala kutlwa botlhoko ele ya tsamaya ka leba le gore ke tlhokafaletswe ke moswi Pyramid ra go leboga mo Lethabong o re phimola dikeledi mo re utlwileng botlhoko Pyramid re a go leboga tota tswelela o direle le ba bangwe tota ke go bone ba lesika le ditsala ba le batla di-province tsotlhe ba ba neng ba tlile ba le batla ko kae yaanong a e se ka nna fele se ka felela fa tsamaya le o bula di-branche bathong Pyramid poloko ya lona e 100% ga gona sepe se ke se sotse go simolola tsatsi la ntlha Satertaga wa di-12 mane a tlhokafala until tlo mmoloka yona Satertaga yona ya maabane aowa re boloketse bontle 100% le dikgomotso le matshediso ne ke sa itse gore gante ga le bolokela motho la mo tshedisa ke a leboga le matshediso a teng poloko ya lona le ka se la lona 100% aowa wa itse keng le ga ne re utlwile botlhoko re ikgomoditse ba lesika re setse re maketse re thoma go bona poloko e ntseng yana halala Pyramid halala tswelela Pyramid o direle le ba bang yalo ra go rata Pyramid halala
Ka rato ra Pyramid e ra reng, mama?
ke rata go raya Pyramid ke ba rare ke lebogela poloko ya bona e ntle ka matsatsana ba ba tsereng ke a leboga ke filo motlhako
Ka rato ra Pyramid e ra reng, mama?
Nka ra Pyramid ke re ke lebogile thata. The service was so good, and then even in the office when we laid the claim it was so good go tloga ko sepetlele the dignity e le re fileng yona it was wow. And then at the cemetery dressing, it was the deco, it was so nice, everything was very well. And then even batho ba ba le berekelang, they are so kind, ba mpuletse lebati gore tso tsotlhe, even le ga re tlo boa re fitlha respect e ba re fileng yona. Tswellang le nne le dire jalo, amen. Leina la ka ke Flora Pinky Nonovi Maselwane.
Yeah.
My brother.
My
utlwile
yeah.
Utlwile exactly from our families. This are our families, this are our people. Kutlwile momo le ko Lethabong abu about literally the service a grilling o lebetse le gore o mo phitlo, and that's what we want.
That's what we want.
We're not
That's
there.
where we start the healing process.
It's there's funeral parlors ga tsena ebile wa lla wes wa lla fela wes ebile koloi makgasa everything go senyegile. They're just adding on to the grief, and which is not what we want.
Definitely.
As pyramid
That's
funerals.
why we prioritize dignity.
We prioritize dignity to ensure and to make sure. We want to make sure gore you feel, yes, there's pain, yes, there's grief, but we are there to make things a bit easier for you. Definitely. We are there to make sure gore you are at ease. We are there to make sure gore Luena, you can grieve in a manner. Ga re bona Luena o feel gore it's again ba nkeleditse bontle. Even the juicy and everything there, they felt at ease. They even forgot, wow, we are still at the funeral. And that's us, my guy, that's us. Casket, my brother, we give quality. No, quality caskets for everyone. Everyone, quality caskets. I don't know about hearts from pyramid with a non-dignified casket. We give a casket, my brother, and that's us. And thank you so much. Thank you so much, Baritsi Barona.
My trust is in you, Pyramid Group Funerals.
My trust is in you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my brother.
Whew. And just like that, we've come to the end of today's journey together. A journey that has taken us from Zerast to your homes, from powerful testimonials to real impact, from challenges we've conquered to the bright road ahead. We've celebrated milestones like reaching over 21,000 active policies, and we are marching forward with confidence toward our bigger goal, which is 30,000 active policies by December 2025. My brother, talk to me.
My brother, and here's the truth. We can't do it. We can't do it without our listeners. Definitely. We can't do it without you guys. We can't reach the 30,000 without you. So to everyone who's already part of this family, we thank you so much, guys. We are grateful. You are the reason, and you are the reason today we are celebrating this 21,000 reasons. Yes. Exactly. And to those who are still considering, now it's the time. Join this movement. Let's build on dignity, compassion, and trust. A movement that puts people first. Always. Let's keep building together, guys. Let's keep growing together. Let's keep showing up for each other. And just like that, family, let's kalebala. SMS pyramid to 41237. It's very easy. I'm going to repeat that number. 41237.
Baretsuko hi. Kalinna kinna perfect hlungwani.
My name is Treasure Dlamini.
Until next time, stay safe, stay covered, and stay connected with Pyramid Group Funerals.
Good night.